so now we have some color written down on the walls. Got our walls all taken care of. Now it's time to talk about the floor. I'm picking a few different types. First thing I did was I went over into the materials because we got to bring in a material into this Skecthup version. We have to download a model with that material. So I went and downloaded some wood floor textures, and I downloaded a nice carpet texture here. So I brought those two in. They had a bunch of them with it. I just deleted everything else and just plopped these right here next to it. Kind of make my model move a little bit quicker. Now we got to talk about the floor. So the floor system, if I turned off the walls, I'd see that these walls go underneath all these floors, and where we made these doors, it's still connected. So if I fill in this little area right here, it would fill in every single area all the way around. And I'm going to show you how to manage that and talk about that. So we're going to double click on the floor to start painting the floor. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to pick my color picker, and I'm going to grab the carpet right there. Can't really see it that well because it's grayed out, but it's there. And I'm going to click to fill that carpet in. And this takes a little bit of time. Then I'm going to do my color picker. Sorry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about this area right here. Every doorway, you have to use a tape or the pencil tool. Click where the doorway starts, click where the doorway ends. Same thing over here. And then that cuts this wall so that I can color this wall separately. So now I'm going to hit the paint bucket again, pick up the color of the hardwood floor that I chose. Boom, I know that's my wood floor. Paint bucket, paint bucket, paint bucket, paint bucket. And I'm clicking and it's just going that slow. It goes quite a bit slower for me just for the simple fact that I am doing a screen recording at the same time. So moving forward here. It's looking so great. I'm excited. It's kind of a fun time for me when I'm doing my designs and modeling. Fill the rest of that one in right there. The color that you choose to color this flooring, when you close the door, you shouldn't be able to see the flooring from the other room. So this door is on this side, on the inside of the room, so the carpet stops on the inside and the wood floor goes to the outside. One thing I see here that's happening, and it might happen on yours, that's a little bit of surface fighting. So something happened on this wall where they left a little bottom surface there when we cut it out. No big deal. We're going to go into that wall system. Just click on that surface right there and hit delete. On your walls, there should be nothing on that floor surface. If that kind of makes sense. We didn't draw anything on the floor for our walls. The only thing we drew, there's a couple extra lines right there because I'm still in the walls, and that cleaned up. Now when I click out of it, now I can see that floor. If you want to go to the next level and you don't like those transition lines, you can hold down the shift key when you're on the eraser, and you can go over those two and it'll erase those transition lines. And that's how we get floor coloring all done on our house. It's coming together nice now. I like it. I like what I'm seeing. Keep going, doing a great job.